this is Suki Spirit Fox with another Pokemon card opening. This time we will be opening a booster box of the Japanese set Time Gazer, which I believe the English equivalent is Astral Radiance. For those that did not watch my other videos, I used to collect cards a lot, but I haven't in the last few years, so I'm a little out of the loop on the newer sets, but I decided to jump back in, and so this is the first booster box I have gotten. You can see my other video, I did open an Espeon Pokemon tin that had 5 packs in it of varying sets the other day, but this is going to be the first actual box I have opened in a very long time. There are going to be 30 packs in here, so strap in. I know that way back when, all the Japanese ones used to have a holo in them. I don't know if that is the case still or not. So we shall see. I know I used to always like getting the Japanese ones more because of that, whereas the English ones were not always guaranteed ones. So like I said, there are 30 packs in here. I was expecting a bigger box. I'm pretty sure they used to be bigger. But when I got booster boxes before, we're talking back at the beginning, with the base, the original 3, and then the Neo cards. Made a little stand. Nice. Alright, so these only have 5 each in them, unfortunately, which is a very big downgrade from how many they used to have in them, and they feel so tiny, so tiny. But hopefully we will still get a good mix of cards. I don't really know what the special ones are in this set. I haven't looked into card lists or anything, so pretty much I have no idea what would be a good pull. Oh, Drifloon! I like Drifloon. It is adorable. We've got a Lilligant, a Hisuian Lilligant. That is nice looking. Then a Omega. Oh, we've got a Yamatica with our Omega now. Alright, so nothing exciting in that one. But we still have a lot to go. If I can open the packs, that would be great. I just mutilate them, and then they'll be forced into submission. Ooh, my favorite starter in the world, by the way, is Cyndaquil. So a lovely Quilava there. I will put it in the favorite pile. It's a nice braviary. I do like the coloring on the Hisuian braviary. Plus, I like psychic types, so that is also a bonus. Ooh, now that is a nice looking card. I am very, very happy about that. Luxray is a big one for me. When I first played Pearl, I did not like my starter, so I caught a Shinx in the first area, and it basically became my starter, and we went all the way to the Elite Four together. It was also my very first shiny. I caught a shiny Luxio, and it was the very first shiny I ever caught. So yeah, it's a big one for me. So that is a beautiful pull for me. Very, very happy. I'm not really a big fan of the Reggies. Probably my least favorite of any of the legendary Pokemon. If I had to pick one that I liked, it would probably be Regilucky, which is one of the new ones. Well, newer ones. Just because it looks the least ridiculous, I guess, in my opinion. But I don't really like any of them. I get them to fill my Pokedex and that's about it. I never use them. Oh, we have a Cyndaquil to go with our Quilava, yes! Oh, another pretty here. Lilligant V. Very nice. Arcanine or Arcanine or however you would like to pronounce it. I actually really liked the design for the Hisuian version. I thought it was a good variant there for an old school Pokemon. Had good luck with the first few in opening them, but now they're starting to be difficult. They do not want to open up for me. Another adorable Cyndaquil. I don't know if this is common in newer packs, but I'm noticing a lot of these are coming out a little on the warp side. I hope that's not happening when I'm opening them. But I've been trying to be careful, but it is difficult to get them open sometimes. Putting them in sleeves or binders or protectors will hopefully straighten them out, so. is an unappealing art style. To me, at least. Now we've got admin. Very nice. I'm assuming you only get him in this pack, in this set, and then the other one, I forget what it's called. You get Dialga. We have a different Lilligant. We are racking up on the Lilligants, it would seem. I do not know how many different ones there are. But so far we have 3. We have V and V star. Then I'm assuming the regular one. And to accompany our Lilligants, we need to put it in. And we have an Evolution Leafeon. That is very nice. Not a holo or anything, but I will take it, as the Eevees are my absolute favorites. Another cute little naked. Leave those there for people to look at while I open the next one, since it can be quite a chore at times. Oh, look who we have here. That is very nice. V-Star Dialga. I have no idea if Giratina's in this set, but that is one of my favorite legendaries. So that would be awesome if we could get that one. But I have no idea if it exists in this. I believe there is a new set coming out soon, and I think that one does feature Giratina. This one does not. I am planning on buying a box of both English and Japanese when that comes out. And another one. Noticing a theme with these cards. But it is a very nice looking card. The art is really nice. Oh, a Mawile. This is another one that I really like. I love that Mawile tries to pass itself off as cute and adorable when it just really wants to eat you. Crimson Mirelens is probably, no, not probably, it absolutely is my least favorite place in Arceus. I love that game, but that is the worst area. Whenever I have to go there, I get in and out as fast as possible. Another Mawile. Oh, and the cute little shaman. Very nice. My editor will enjoy this one. And we've got the set in there. Anything that looks remotely like a dinosaur, he gets very happy about. So I have a feeling he's probably going to try and steal that one. Oh, very nice. We get the Hisuian Samurai. I'll be honest, I wasn't much of a fan of this starter line until the new game. I obviously chose Cyndaquil for my starter, but at some point you do get the other ones, and I actually enjoyed using Samurai down the line. I ended up getting an alpha in distortion, and it was quite useful. And then we have a Thievel to go with our Naked. The Tuxedo Mask Fox. Tell me that's not what that is. You can't, because it's completely what it is. Well, we're thinning down our piles. Another adorable little triplet. And an Eevee! It's the sweet baby we have been looking for. Or at least I have been looking for. So we now have an Eevee to go with our Leafeon. I do not know if there are holo versions in this, or if they all are just the regular. So I don't know if there is an off chance of us getting a beautiful holo Leafeon or not. I'm pretty sure there are not all of the evolutions in this. Like I said, I haven't really looked up set lists, but I don't think, it seems like I remember hearing someone say that there was only 1 or 2 in this set. Looks like mostly all repeats in that one. Still no Typhlosion, despite having Cyndaquil and Quilava. Pretty indifferent on that one. Hopefully before we get to the end we will find a Typhlosion. I assume there's gotta be at least a couple in this set, considering how many Lilligans we have found. You would think. Gigas. But still no Typhlosion. I will take Typhlosion over Regigigas any day. Well, Duwatch just having the time of its life. All repeats in that one. Once again, I believe that is all repeats. It's always the problem when collecting is you never know what to do with all the extra commons and uncommons you get. You acquire quite a mass of them, and no one else wants them because they have a mass of them too. We've gotten growlers yet, so that's nice. And there it is, there's our Typhlosion. Ah, it's beautiful. I was very excited when the Hisuian version got the ghost type on Final Evolution. I love ghost types, so. And I think the purple flames is very nice touch to its design. Oh, look what we have here, pretty Cresselia. That is very nice. And random appearance from Gardenia. I suppose it makes sense, she was from Sinnoh. Regieleki, another Leafeon. So yeah, that's my favorite if I had to pick of the Reggies. And then Leafeon. So Leafeon is probably the only one you can get in this set, if I would have to guess. I don't know if there are other versions of it or not, or if that's the only one. Oh, repeats in that one, unfortunately. Looking like we are down to our last three, I believe. Yep, last three. Let's hope they're good ones. That one just completely fell off. Another adorable Eevee. Oh, very, very nice. Have Dialga V. Very nice card. So we've gotten two forms of Dialga. Another Moan Cyndaquil. Oh, very, very nice. I love Jirachi. Another one of my favorite legendaries. That is a very nice looking card too. I'll definitely be sending that one off for grading for my personal collection. This is our final pack. So let us hope we have something good to end it all off with. Although I will be perfectly happy with the Jirachi. These are all repeats. So our final hit is the beautiful Jirachi, which I am very happy with. So we got several really good ones, I think. Like I said, I have no idea what the very valuable or hard to get ones are. So I'm just going by just of my personal preferences. But these are the big ones from the looks of it. We got a lot of elegant. Then our other ones. So overall, not bad. Let me know what you guys think and which ones you like. And I don't know when I will be opening cards up next. This is all I have in at the moment, but I know I will be trying to get some more in soon. Like I said, I will be trying to get both Japanese and English boxes of the new set that's set to be released in September. So you can look for that video when the time comes. And I will be starting to record some games very soon. I believe the first one I'm going to be doing is Nancy Drew, one of the old computer games, and then will be Pokemon X. I also will be playing Resident Evil 7 and 8 at some point to prepare for the DLC coming out in October, but I don't know when. So watch out for all of that, and thank you so much for checking out this very large box opening, well, large for me box opening and pack opening video, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thank you.